this animal here is called Pintulo, also known as Bangtan. We can find him at tropical rainforests such as in Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and Palawan Islands and Philippines. And this animal here is a pretty dangerous animal, and it is in the category of predator. Haiwan ini agak bahaya sikit dan dia dikategorikan haiwan pemangsa, and its diet mainly consists of meat such as small mammals, insects, birds, and fruits too. What's interesting about this animal here, as you guys can see, its tail is very long and very strong at the same time. He uses his tail as his fifth limb, and he can hang upside down by using his tail. And with his tail, he can lift his weight of 45 kilograms of weight. Dia boleh menampung berat badannya 45 kilogram dengan hanya menggunakan ekor dia sahaja. That's how strong his tail is. And more interesting than about this animal.